Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. I forgot to mention in my other video that I am kind of taking like a pre-order count. So if you want to, I'm not going to hold you to it. But if you're interested in this interface board, it lets you plug in your blue box into the interface board, and this interface board plugs into your retevis rt97s or the Midland mxr10 repeater. So my plan is so that you can use programs like Zello, date and time, weather, your repeater ID announcements. That's what my plan and goal is going to be. But if you're interested in something like this, shoot me an email. I'll put my email address down below. For a subject, put on their blue box interface board or r1-2020 interface board. Like I said, I'm not going to hold you to it, but this gives me an idea when I start to do, once I get the circuit all working and I'm happy with it and I get circuit boards made up, this will give me an idea how many boards to get made up. And like I said, I'm not going to hold you to it, but at least it'll give me an idea how many boards do I need to get the first batch. So let me know. Like I said, I'll be doing videos as I test this, like I did with the other interface board. You will see videos coming out. I don't know, next week or so, maybe sooner, maybe later. Me testing the board as I do this, so that you get to see the progress. I do the videos to show you the progress of how the board's coming, so you know what's going on. Otherwise, you just sit and wonder, well, what's going on? I haven't seen no videos about it. So I'll be doing that. As you can see, I've been putting some components on the board compared to my last video. I've been getting things set up on here. I have a idea, a schematic in my head. I've kind of drawn up also, for that matter. And I want to try it to see. I may have to tweak it as I go, but that's what the plan is. So that's what this interface board will be for. This one's only going to be for the blue box. That's what it's going to be a design for that. So keep that in mind. If you want the other interface board, then that's a different one. Don't confuse the two. So make sure you're aware of it. I'm going to call this the blue box interface board, or you can call it the r1-2020 interface board. That's what I'm going to call this one. So, at any rate, shoot me an email. I'll put all that in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below, and please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.